Learning introduction to widgets in a Flutter. So what is widgets? Widgets are the fundamental building blocks of a Flutter application. Everything in a Flutter is a widget, including layout, styling and event, the entire app itself. Okay, so widgets are used to define the structure, style, layout and interaction of your user interface. There are types of widgets so the Flutter widgets are classified into two main types. One is stateless widget and second is stateful widgets. Okay, so what is stateless widget and what is stateful widgets? So the stateless widget is do not store any state. They are immutable, meaning once created, okay, they do not change over a time. For example, include a text, icon and images. And other hand, the stateful widget, this widget store a state, meaning they can change dynamically as app runs. They are mutable and re-render when the state changes. For example, include a checkbox, slides and forms, radio button. We need to change when we are selecting a checkbox value, so we need to update the value, so we are using state. Okay, we are using stateful widgets. Thank you.